Most people spend their entire life chasing money but never truly understand how wealth is built or why it seems to come so easily to others. The average person is taught to work hard, save what's left, and retire at 65, but real wealth does not work that way. There are lessons that the wealthy live by, truths the average person either ignores, misunderstands, or never learns at all. If you want to break out of that cycle, here are 8 lessons that can change your financial future forever. The first lesson is that time is more valuable than money. Most people trade their time for income, but the wealthy use money to buy back time. They outsource, delegate, and automate. They build systems that work without them. If you have always stuck trading odds for dollars, you're trapped in the slowest path to wealth. Second, money is a tool, not a goal. The average person chases money for security or status, but wealthy people use money strategically to create freedom, access, and opportunity. They don't worship money, they use it, and because they respect it as a tool, they grow it faster. Third, the wealthy don't save to get rich. They invest. Average people let their money sit in a bank, slowly losing value to inflation, but the wealthy put their money to work. Stock, real estate, businesses. They understand the compound growth is the real engine of wealth. Fourth, income means nothing if your mindset is broken. Many people make decent money but still live paycheck to paycheck. That's because they think like consumers, not investors. Wealth starts in the mind. Change your habits, change your outcome. Fifth, wealthy people learn how to leverage. This means using other people's time, skills, and even money to multiply their results. They understood that doing everything alone is a trap. Leverage creates scale, and scale creates wealth. Sixth, the rich know that connections build empires. Your network is your net worth. Average person sees networking as fake or uncomfortable, but the wealthy know that doors open faster when you know the right people. Relationships move money. Seventh, wealthy people study money like a craft. The average person avoids financial literacy because it feels complicated or boring, but the wealthy treat money like language. They study it, practice it, master it, and that knowledge gives them control. And final, wealthy people think long term. The average person wants quick money, quick wins, lottery tickets, viral moments, instant results. But true wealth is built over time. It's slow, intentional, and consistent. The rich plant seeds they won't harvest for years. That's the difference. Most people never learn these lessons because they were never taught to think this way. Schools don't teach, media distracts from it, but if you start applying even a few of these principles, your entire life can change. Wealth is not about luck, it's about patterns and how you know them.